Okay, good day everyone. I am Eduardo Ciliago Jr. and I am going to report the ways in doing networking. So, before anything else, let me read the learning objective first. At the end of the lesson, learners should be able to first identify the different methods of business networking, including social media platforms, business events, and professional associations, and recognize the importance in building mutual beneficial professional relationships. So second, demonstrate effective networking strategies by engaging in simulated or real-world scenario such as joining online groups, attending networking events, and initiating valuable conversations that contribute to the growth of a business network. Next is develop a proactive and collaborative mindset by appreciating the value of consistent communication, active participation, and the willingness to offer value to others within a professional network without expecting immediate returns. So, to start, ways in doing networking. So, business networking is not actually a different thing. Everyone does it every time in life but is not able to realize it. People make good friends and meaningful relationships. However, in business, networking entrepreneurs need to understand that they must add right people around them. Also, the most important thing in networking is that entrepreneurs should branch out their network even with similar lines of business. Entrepreneurship must keep in mind that they should continuously get in touch with their networks. So, networking is through social media. Social media is a trend today, which is why it is easy to build a network through it. So, we all know that social media right now is a very rampant thing that the generation are using. So, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even on Google Plus are some business groups where entrepreneurs may join easier and start forming networks. So with these networks or with these medias, so businessmen or entrepreneurs can get easily do their things. So WhatsApp, although a personal chatting platform, can be used by business groups to get contact numbers from social medias and talk to these people. So networking through business events. So an entrepreneur ought to join business meetings, events, awards, and seminars so that he can personally interact with people in the industry. LinkedIn, MySpace, and Wisdom Builder are some network club sites where entrepreneurs may join. So for today's generation, we also use the Google Meet for be able to use it easily. So during business selling their respective products and or services. So in this generation, we also use the Facebook, Instagram, and the TikTok. Of course, making good lasting connections is important. The best means of keeping in touch is to provide value to one's network without expecting anything in change. So, in the Philippines, membership with a Rotary Club is a beneficial way to network both personally and for business. Here, entrepreneurs may meet with professionals who have diverse backgrounds and could exchange ideas, from beneficial and lifelong friendships with them. At the same time, being a member of a Rotary Club could be a way to give way to the communities. Really, Rotary Clubs can be ideal networking groups for entrepreneurs who wanted to combine services to their communities with networking. So in conclusion, in today's interconnected world, business networking is an essential skill for entrepreneurs who want to thrive and grow. While networking may seem like a natural part of daily life, successful business networking requires intentionality, strategy, and consistency. Whether through social media, business events, or professional associations, entrepreneurs must actively build and maintain relationships that are mutually beneficial. The use of platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and WhatsApp has made connecting with others easier than ever. But real value lies in genuine engagement, active participation, and listening. Likewise, attending events and joining groups like the Rotary Club or industry-specific association allows entrepreneurs to gain insights, share resources, and contribute to the growth of others. Ultimately, effective networking is not just about gaining contacts, it's about creating lasting relationships, offering values, and continuously expanding one's circle to stay informed, supported, and relevant in the business world. That's good, all. Thank you.